Oh no. You alright? Sorry sled, you gotta stay behind today. Well, let's go knock the dust off of it. First dirt bike ride of the season. Looks funny to have the bike back there instead of the sled. Looks like I put it away with a full tank. Today we're headed east. We're going away from the snow. We're going away from the mountains. As you can see out here, there is no snow. Luckily Doug was free today, so we're gonna get the dirt bikes out and go ride the gravel pit near his place. I'm gonna hit that later. Maybe. Just you?
Good morning, everybody.
Those people camp down here. We got some campers down here. This is sick. Just a big gravel hill full of garbage. These forks, the Explorer forks, are so soft. We're gonna go a little stiffer on the compression here. Wait a minute. That one is rebound. This one's compression, so I gotta remember it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4 clicks. See what happens. Oh, it's better.
I gotta say these 2019s are the best ever.
Oh, this is a 17.
Yeah.
These bikes are just the fucking worth it.
Except for when you're on tight trails, because that bike's a cheater bike.
Quite a few trails just for a gravel pit. Eh?
Right, yeah.
Here we are out at the gravel pit. I gotta catch up to those guys. They are headed to the sand pit. The sand pit. arm pump.
A little bit of arm.
Not sure why I'm gripping the bar so hard. Climb the hill. Oh no.
These things are identical. Wild, yeah. They climb to the bottom. Go. You gotta slow down for that corner. Hey, I'm like, holy. Try that again. You're in second on that first. Uh-oh. You alright? What happened? Oh.
You sent her a little too fucking hard like this.
Oh, you came up here.
Yeah. Which leg is it? That one? Okay. Yeah.
I have to take 5.
I was just gonna say when you went up, I hope he knows that's a sharp right.
Ouch. Shouldn't have shifted into first. I wanted to try it, but I was gonna follow you up. You should probably turn your gas on. No wonder your fuel economy sucks. It's just pouring out.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Getting showered in rocks there. Not the best spot. I was just getting showered right there with rocks. I don't think I'm in the way here. Probably not. Maybe. Maybe a little. Yeah. Yeah, you guys came straight up here and then stayed to the right?
I went to the right.
Yeah.
Or you can come up here. Or there's another one I can see right over there.
I got bucked a little there. A little soft here. It's getting pretty chewed up there.
Yeah,
There's nothing for traction. Need a freaking paddle tire or something.
you know what I mean? When you get like a nice berm there,
Yeah.
you're gonna rail it.
Yeah. Oh, that was kind of fun. I don't know. Just kidding. Bag of ribs. Hello. How you doing? You smell those ribs, don't you? Those are mine.
Yeah, they do.
Those are mine. Bella.
I guess you more of like a 90 degree kind of. You know, so you can...
Pretty fun afternoon, not bad for mid-April. Snowmobiling last weekend, snowmobiling next weekend. 16 degrees, we're all wearing shorts. Yeah. Oh, I should probably watch where I'm going. It's pretty awesome. Met Ryan and Ray and his couple dogs. Looks like we'll be getting out with them again this summer. Maybe we'll hit up Wipeout or Fallen Timber, McLean Creek. So many spots to ride around Calgary. It's awesome. Hey, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I know most people just kind of scroll through, but hit it. It really helps me out. It'll keep this channel growing. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.